Stop paying $2,000 per shoot. Here's how to build a pro storefront on a budget. What we want to do is go straight into Studio, hit the plus button here, and upload the item we want our AI model to wear. I am going to upload a jewelry set, a bracelet, earring, necklace, and a ring. Below it, I'm going to write my prompt, how I want the model to be and what she's going to wear. Now, this is the prompt I have. Now, if there's a particular image that you want, or if you are not good at prompting at all, I advise that you take an image and put it into a chat AI bot like ChatGPT or Gemini and ask it to create a prompt for you. Then you tweak it to fit and you come and put it in here. It will give you similar results. All right, so now that I'm done with my prompt, all I have to do is press this blue arrow over here and it's going to generate. The AI is going to take some time and it's going to think and figure out what you want and it's going to give you that. All right, so our AI has done a lot of thinking and I think it's done. All right, so now let's click on it. She's a beautiful dark-haired model as we requested for, and she's wearing the jewelry in a very graceful manner. So I'm just gonna zoom in so we see her in the earrings, check. Let's check out the necklace, check. Wow, let's check out the bracelet, check, and the ring. So this is excellent for e-commerce because sometimes people want to see your jewelry on a model. Okay, this is amazing. You can also tell the AI the orientation of the image you want. If you want a 9:16 for socials and stuff, you can always add that in the prompt, but the default is going to be a square. That's a 1:1. All right, now to download it, you just hit the download button over here and it's going to be downloaded onto your device. If there was an issue with the image or if there's anything you want to change, I wouldn't change anything here. But if there was anything you wanted to change, you can go back into the chatbot and indicate the changes you want to make. Maybe brunette model doesn't work quite well for you and you want her to be blonde. You can always go back into the chatbot and make changes whatsoever. Now it's just going to take 3 points per generation with Style 3D AI. So now if you want to create a video from the image that you've made, it's really simple. All you have to go to is virtual try on. There are a lot of tools, but we are going all the way down to video and we want image to video. Now we have the option to use a single frame or a start frame and an end frame. But we're just going to use a single frame because we generated just one image. So we're just going to click on start to upload the image. All right, so this is the image that I'm going to use to create a video. So I'm just going to select it right here. And the image is going to be loaded onto the AI, and then underneath it I have to put in a prompt as in what I want the model to do. There are also some templates that we can use. So let's go without a template first and then we'll come back and try another one with a template. So now I'm just going to write a very simple prompt. You can choose to have high quality or leave it at the normal quality length. As you can see, the price goes up when we have high quality. I'm just gonna leave it and see how the normal quality is. I'm gonna leave it at 5 seconds. 10 seconds will cost 30 points and 5 seconds will cost 20. I'm in VIP package, so I get some kind of a discount. Now we're just gonna click generate now. Yeah, it's gonna take some time to work the video out. All right, our video is ready. Let's see how it looks. Wow. Okay, so this is how the video looks from the image we got. Very realistic, very nice. The only thing is it gave her an extra ring. She didn't have a ring on this hand, but it seemed to give her an extra ring. But it's so fast that we can't even see that ring properly. So I guess it's okay. All right, so this is, if you like this video, all you have to do is click download over here and it's going to be automatically downloaded onto your device. It's that simple. Let's take a look at the template option. Let's go and try the same thing, but this time we're going to use one of the templates and we'll compare the result at the end of the video. So we're going to start by clicking the start button to upload the image. So we go back to select template over here. Okay, so you can just go through and choose based on the product. So these two are very jewelry specific, so I think I'm gonna go with this. And so when we click on it, it's going to update the prompt or the description. And then we are going to go down here and click generate now. It's going to take the same 20 points, so 20 credits. It hasn't changed in price, so we're just going to click generate now and wait for the AI to do its magic. All right, so our video is ready and let's see what we got. So I'm going to click on it to make it a little bigger. Okay. So the model is posing very subtly and very, seductively as compared to the other video. I like it. In fact, I like both of them. I really like both of them. And I like the fact that with this one, the AI doesn't manufacture another ring for her. So because her hand is hidden, the other hand is hidden most of the time, which is really nice. So yeah, the consistency is there. Everything looks good. You can slow down this video and make it very luxurious and very fun. The quality is top notch. And this is even the low definition version. This is not the high quality version. So you can imagine if it was. This is really cool. Now we're just going to download it over here. I think Style 3D AI is very easy to use and the results are very good. The quality is very nice and it's user friendly. So these are two things I like about Style 3D AI. I have a link in the description, of course, to help you try this tool out for free. So there's a link in the description for free points to use Style 3D AI. If you like it, then you can go on to the paid plan. To get 10% discount off any of the paid plans, use my coupon code BUY NOW. All right, thank you so much for watching. If there's a tool you want me to review and show you how to use, drop it in the comment section and I'll do just that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.